Rainy days don't have to be lazy days. Staying active, even when it's wet outside, is essential for your health and fitness. In today's video, we'll share the top 5 exercises you can do during the rainy season to stay in shape without stepping out. Don't let the rain stop your fitness journey. If you're ready to stay active, give this video a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button for more fitness tips. First on our list is indoor cardio. You don't need fancy equipment to get your heart pumping. Jumping jacks, high knees, and spot jogging are perfect options. They boost your heart rate and help burn calories in a small space. Try combining these moves into a quick circuit for an effective workout. What's your favorite indoor cardio exercise? Let us know in the comments below. Next up is yoga, a fantastic option for staying fit and calm during gloomy weather. Yoga enhances flexibility, builds strength, and reduces stress, all while keeping you dry indoors. Try poses like downward dog, warrior, or sun salutations to energize your day. If yoga is your go-to for fitness, type yoga time in the comments and share your favorite pose. Rainy days are perfect for strength training, and you don't need heavy weights to get started. Bodyweight exercises like push-ups, squats, and lunges are great for building muscle and endurance. If you have resistance bands or light dumbbells, they can add extra intensity. If you're a fan of strength training, give this video a thumbs up and tell us your favorite move in the comments. Dancing is a fun and effective way to stay active indoors. Whether it's freestyle, Zumba, or following along to an online dance workout, dancing burns calories and lifts your mood. Just pick your favorite playlist and get moving. What's your favorite song to dance to? Share your recommendations below. We'd love to hear them. Finally, let's focus on core workouts. Exercises like planks, Russian twists, and bicycle crunches are great for strengthening your abs and improving overall stability. Core workouts don't require much space or equipment, making them perfect for rainy days. If core exercises are part of your routine, comment core power below. And that's it. 5 amazing exercises to keep you fit and active during the rainy season. Which of these are you most excited to try? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated with more fitness tips. Don't let the rain dampen your fitness goals. Until next time, stay healthy and stay fit.